Hi everyone. Today I thought I'd bring you a science experiment you can do outdoors. Everybody loves to see what happens when you mix vinegar and baking soda together. So today I thought I'd bring a variation of that, and I'm going to see if I can make a baggie explode. So what you need is some vinegar, some baking soda, some baggies, 2 squares of toilet paper. I'm going to pour my vinegar in the bag, and I've put some baking soda in the squares of toilet paper. I'm going to hold on to it up here and zip my bag closed. All right, and now that it's closed, I'm going to drop my baking soda in the baggie and let's see what happens. Whoa, that was cool. Hope you have fun doing this at home. Bye.